We provide, for instance, a SIM provider development kit today for ESX 4.0 and 4.1. It includes a version of GCC that's appropriate for generating code in this environment. It does not have GCC. No, you build code off the host and then deploy it on the host. That's how it works. So that's a little bit about the user world environment, just relevant because if any of you are actually ever writing code for ESXi, those things are relevant to you. So what would you want to make a SIM provider? Well, actually any management tool you'd want to make maps fairly well to the SIM API. And the SIM API it provides the most versatile host extensibility features of any model that VMware currently offers. It's particularly well suited for moving data on and off the host. You can do so via network connections and so on. For providing asynchronous notifications that could happen, for instance, anytime, hardware faults, things like that. A SIM provider is what you want to use to implement that. And it also provides for integration with really complex client software because that SIM API that talks off the host is rich and provides a well-defined set of data types and so on where you can create like a GUI that sits on top of the SIM API. So SIM API is your best bet for doing some more complicated operations in that regard. So from a partner or from a client, rather a customer perspective, if you're used to using tools that are provided by HP, Dell, so on, to do your server management operations, and they provide a GUI, they probably need to be implementing a SIM provider in order to make that functionality happen. It's possible to do it in other ways, but those people, if you're wondering, hey, why don't I have such and such GUI tool available? The answer is they probably need to make a SIM provider that talks to their GUI